are the Bachelor of Science in Hospitality Management students of Access Computer College from Recto Branch. And we are here to present Sofitel Philippine Plaza, Manila.
I'm Mark Florence Pelayo from BSHM 51 and assigned to discuss the history of Sofitel Philippines Plaza, Manila.
I'm Georgian C. Palilea from BSHM 51, assigned to discuss what kind of hotel is Sofitel Philippine Plaza, Manila, its address, and the owners.
I'm Rodile May C. Henson from BSHM 51, assigned to discuss the amenities available in Sofitel Philippine Plaza, Manila.
Like Epsalmete, Recto Campus, BSHM 851, assigned to discuss the rooms that are Sofitel Philippine Plaza, Manila.
I'm Jaylee I. Nicolas, assigned to discuss the rates of every rooms available in Sofitel Philippine Plaza, Manila.
I'm Russell A. Trinidad, assigned to discuss the Sofitel Philippine Plaza, Manila floor plan, overview, and their special offers.
Sofitel History. Sofitel Philippines Plaza, Manila is a truly elegant and truly modern resort on the majestic Manila Bay. It was established in 1976 as the first hotel in the Philippines of international caliber and was designed by Philippines national artist Leandro Locsin. In 2007, global hotel operator Accord acquired the property and turned into the luxurious beside retreat it is today. With gorgeous landscape, lavish contemporary interior, and indulgent spa, it's no wonder it's obtained the hotel of choice of visiting VIPs from former US President Barack Obama to the Queen of Pop, Madonna.
The Sofitel Philippine Plaza, Manila is a 5-star hotel located at Pasay Metro, Manila, Philippines, under the Sofitel Hotel chain of Accor Hotels.
This is the Sofitel Philippine Plaza, Manila floor plan.
Amenities available in Sofitel: air conditioner, basic television, cable, cribs, golf course, kids allowed, meeting conference room, poolside drink service, airport transportation, beauty hair salon, children's pool, dry cleaning, internet, kids club, minibar with liquor, rental car service desk on-site, babysitting services, business center, concierge, fitness center, jacuzzi, laundry, pool, and home service.
2. Home comforts, in-room climate control conditioning, coffee or tea maker, bathroom, slipper, ironing board, stripper, pillow menu, down comforter, blackout frames, turn-down service, premium beating. Things to enjoy: balcony, be entertained, LCD TV, premium TV channel, and more. Daily housekeeping, in-room safe, connecting rooms available. Fresh up, private bathroom, shower only, free toilet, hair dryer, stay connected, desk, free newspaper.
This is the Sofitel Philippine Plaza, Manila rooms and its price. Per your room, 2 single beds, non-refundable, 6,197. Per your room, 2 single beds, free cancellation, 7,247. Per your room, 2 single beds, Bayview, free cancellation, 8,653. Per your room, 2 single beds, free cancellation, free breakfast, 9,704. Per your room, 1 king bed, Bayview, 6,811. Per your room, 1 king bed, Bayview, free cancellation, 7,861. Per 7,057. Luxury room, 1 king bed, city view, bay view, free cancellation, 8,107. Luxury room, 1 king bed, city view, bay view, non-refundable, free breakfast, 9,530. Luxury room, 1 king bed, city view, bay view, free cancellation, free breakfast, 10,563. Luxury room, 2 single beds, city view, bay view, non-refundable, 7,057. Luxury room, 1 king bed, city view, bay view, free cancellation, 9,530. Luxury room, 1 king bed, city view, bay view, free cancellation, free breakfast, 10,560. Luxury room, 2 single beds, city view, bay view, non-refundable, 7,057. Luxury room, 2 single beds, city view, bay view, free cancellation, 8,107. Luxury room, 2 single beds, city view, bay view, non-refundable, free breakfast, 9,530. Luxury room, 2 single beds, city view, bay view, free cancellation, free breakfast, 10,563. Luxury club room, Club Millesheim, access 1 king bed, non-refundable, free breakfast, 13,567. Luxury club room, Club Millesheim, access 1 king bed, free cancellation, free breakfast, 14,607. Luxury club room, Club Millesheim, access 2 single beds, non-refundable, 13,567. Luxury club room, Club Millesheim, access 2 single beds, free cancellation, free breakfast, 14,670. Junior family suite, 1 king bed, city view, bay view, non-refundable, free breakfast, 14,793. Junior family suite, 1 king bed, city view, bay view, free cancellation, free breakfast, 15,845.
And here is the overview of Sofitel Philippine Plaza Manila. Sofitel Philippine Plaza Manila is special offers. Spa. Guests can pamper themselves by indulging in the on-site spa services. There are 12 treatment rooms, including rooms for couples. Services include deep tissue massage, hot stone massage, Swedish massage, and facials. A variety of treatment therapies are provided, including aromatherapy, reflexology, and thalassotherapy. Livar. Overlooking the pool and garden, the visitors specialize in French cuisine and serves lunch and dinner. Guests can enjoy al fresco dining, weather permitting. Reservations are required and open daily. Snaps Sports Bar. Overlooking the ocean and pool restaurant and local and international cuisine, and serves breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Open 24 hours, reservations are required and open daily. Recreational on-site. Fitness facilities, golf course on-site, outdoor tennis court, sauna, spa tube, steam room, tennis on-site, miniature golf on-site, pirates classes, playground on-site, tennis lesson on-site, yoga class instructions on-site nearby, golf lesson available nearby, and golfing nearby.